Today I am going to show you what is graphical tooltip and how to create one. In data analytics, it is important to what detail of information you can show in your visuals. And at the same time, your report or dashboard should not appear cluttered, stuffed with too much information. Therefore, you can leverage the graphical tooltip. When you hover the cursor in any visuals, you get another visual, making your report more informative and insightful. Let's see how to create one. So we are going to create a graphical tooltip on sales by product category visual. In order to do so, I'm going to create a new page, rename this page to tooltip, and convert this page compatible to a tooltip. Now I'm going to enable this over here and then resize the page from 16:9 to a tooltip. Now this page size becomes that of a tooltip, which will serve as a tooltip for our visual. Now I'm going to select the visual that I'm going to show in this, which is a clustered bar chart. And then I'm going to select the product subcategory because I want to show the product subcategory sales for this. And I'm going to drag this to my axis option. And then I'm going to select sales from the sales table. And I'm going to put that in values. Now I'm going to resize this graph. And I'm also going to remove the sales by subcategory title over here because I don't need the title. So I'm going to remove the titles and I'm going to put data labels on for this visual. Now I can also put some different colors to this. Maybe I'll select this color. And then I'm going to put some title to this. So I'm going to select a new card visual over here. I'm going to resize this so that it fits half of this page, half of the top band of the page. And then I'm going to select product category to this field, which will show me the product category that I hover the cursor over when I'm using this as a tooltip. I'll show you in a while what I meant by this. And I'm going to change the size of the text over here because it's too large. I don't want to show the category also over here. I'm going to disable that. And I'm going to change this text size to 20. Now I'm going to add a subtle background to this. So I'm going to go to the format option and I'm going to change the background color to something like this and increase the transparency to say 50%. All right. Now I am also going to create another visual over here, another card visual over here that will show the total sales for this category. Now I'm going to cancel the first category over here and add sales to this field, which will show the total sales of the particular category of products that we hover our cursor over. Now the tooltip is ready. Now what we need to do is we need to attach this tooltip to the visual that we want to have the tooltip on. Going back to the executive summary where we had the sales by product category, we are going to select this visual and go to the format option. We have to go to the tooltip option over here, and then in the page we already have an auto option here. We are going to change this to a tooltip, which is the page that we created. This is the page that we created, and that's it. Now when you hover your cursor over any of the product category, under the category you get the total amount of sales, and you also get the subcategory of products that is there under this product category.